Okay, what's your name?
Sean,
And what grade are you in?
first grade.
And what are you going to do today?
Going to make this balloon blow up.
And how are you going to do that?
With this sugar and this yeast and some warm water.
And what does the yeast do to the sugar?
Eats it up and then makes gas, and then it blows up this balloon.
What kind of gas does the yeast give off? Carbon
Dioxide.
carbon dioxide. Okay, so let's do it. Put the warm water in there. Okay. Now let's put sugar in. Grab the sugar. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay. And then put the top on and we'll shake it up to get it mixed up. Put it on tight. Yeah. There you go. Okay, now what's next?
The yeast.
All right, let's take the top off the water. Make a little bit of room in there. Okay, wait here. And now I need to put the balloon on. Okay, it's been 2 minutes since we put the yeast in. What can you tell us about what the yeast looks like?
It's bubbly at the top and sort of and white on the bottom than it was usually.
And what does the bubbly mean? What's happening?
That is putting out gas.
Okay, all right, so we're going to check it in about 15 more minutes. Okay, Sean, it's been 15 minutes since you put 3 plus 15, so 18 minutes since you put the yeast into the water. What's happening to the balloon?
It's blowing up.
And what is inside of the balloon?
Gas.
Gas. And where's the gas coming from?
The yeast.
The yeast. Is the yeast a plant, an animal, or a mineral?
Animal.
Animal. Okay. So what do we have over here? What is all this stuff? What's this?
Flour.
Right?
Water. Yeast. Salt.
And what are we going to make?
Bread.
We're going to make bread. Okay, let's do it. Put them all in there. Okay, put the waters in. Be careful. We're going to put most of this in, but not all of it, okay? Because I want to save a little bit at the end. And the yeast and the salt. All right.
Now we stir.
Go ahead and turn it on.
Remember to lock it.
This one right here.
And I liked it. Smells good.
Okay, let's take a look at the dough. We've mixed the dough up. Sean, how big is the dough right now? Small, medium, or large?
Medium.
Medium, okay. And what is the yeast going to do to the bread?
Make it blow up.
Make it blow up. All right, so we're going to let the yeast rise in the bread, and then we're going to come back and check it. Let's take a look at our balloon. What's happening to the balloon?
It's blowing up.
Getting
As
bigger.
I said, blowing up.
Great. Okay, so we're going to let it sit for a little bit and we'll come back and check it in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, so what do you got in that blue balloon, Sean?
Gas.
What kind of gas? Carbon dioxide? And what did we notice about the carbon dioxide balloon?
It makes this balloon heavier.
Okay, and what do you have in the yellow balloon?
Air.
Air that you blew into it. And which one is lighter?
This one.
Okay, let's see. Here, watch. Just hold the yellow balloon still. Now do the same with the blue one. Not so hard. Yeah, it's a lot heavier. Okay. Okay, it's been about 2 hours, so what do you see, Sean, on your balloon? Filled up with what kind of gas? Carbon dioxide? Very good. And how's the bread doing? Let's take a look.
Good.
The bread getting bigger?
Are we supposed to bake it in the oven?
We're going to bake it in the oven after it needs a couple more hours. All right, that's a great experiment. Okay, we're back. It's 5:50 in the afternoon, almost evening, I guess. And Sean has his bread here. What can you tell us about the bread?
It has risen a lot.
Risen a lot. And what made it rise?
The yeast.
And what kind of gas did the yeast give off?
Carbon dioxide.
Right. Okay, so the bread looks like it's about 3 times the size that it was earlier today. The next thing to do is...
Put it in the oven.
Okay. Okay, we have finished baking for 35 minutes our bread. And we have our SJA first grader. What's the last part of this experiment?
Eating.